we, the caucus, play a critical role in parliamentary system as a check on executive power. And as you may be well aware, the majority has 2/3. And therefore, to be strong to check on them, we must get on board with substance. We know that we don't win the vote, but we must at least win the argument and show presence in the chamber. Like what happened last week, we demonstrated beyond doubt that the Gold Board Ghana, Bank of Ghana transactions leading to losses, where the IMF reported that within 9 months, in excess of 214 million losses, and by end year, there was over 700 million losses. The whole country watched the debate. We made our case, but of course, by evening, the majority populated the chamber with their numbers, and they voted against establishing a bipartisan committee to look into the losses so that there could be proper proposals on how to manage this policy of gold for reserves. In any event, we are happy that even on that particular point, our earlier alarm bells that we sounded led to government directing BOG and Gold Board to organize a joint emergency meeting of their boards, leading to a reduction of the initial fees of 15% to 9.55%. That to us was in itself a major success.